Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Administrator Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is Introduction to Salesforce, Cloud Computing, CRM concept and types of cloud. Introduction to Salesforce. What is Salesforce? It is a cloud-based software company which provides CRM software solution. When it came into picture, it was founded by the former Oracle executive Mark Benioff in 1999 at San Francisco, California. Who is the CEO of the company? Mark Russell Benioff is the co-founder, chairman and CEO of the Salesforce company. What are the services provided by Salesforce? Salesforce helps businesses keep track of customer interactions and sales data. It can manage leads, contacts, opportunities, and cases. Salesforce also offers several features to help businesses automate their sales and marketing processes. Cloud computing. It is the delivery of computing services including software, storage, servers, databases, networking, analytics, and intelligence over the internet. SaaS stands for Software as a Service, is a cloud-based software delivery model that allows end users to access software applications over the internet. Basically, it provides application. PaaS stands for Platform as a Service, is a complete cloud environment, includes everything that developers need to build, run and manage applications. Salesforce provides Force.com as a platform. IaaS stands for Infrastructure as a Service, is a cloud computing model that provides on-demand access to computing resources such as server, storage, networking, and virtualization. CRM. CRM stands for Customer Relationship Management that allows salespeople to track their sales, support people to track their cases, and either company employees to collaborate with each other. The key concept of CRM is an approach to manage a company's interaction with current and potential customers. CRM is the combination of strategy and technology to build and improve the business relationship with customers. A great CRM helps us to do amazing things. It centralizes all our important customer information and company data at one place. Types of cloud. Salesforce tools and services are commonly referred to as clouds. This platform offers six major types of cloud: Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Commerce Cloud, Analytics Cloud, and Experience Cloud. What is Sales Cloud? It is a cloud-based application designed to help salespeople sell smarter and faster way by centralizing customer information. They are logging their interactions with the company and automating many of the tasks salespeople do every day. Sales Cloud is a completely customizable product that integrates all customer information into one platform that includes sales, customer support, marketing, lead generation. Basically, there is a web to lead functionality provided by Salesforce and business analytics. It, it focuses on increasing the performance of an organization's sales staff and thereby increasing sales. This platform is also available as a software as a service SaaS for browser based access as well as mobile app. What is Service Cloud? Service Cloud is the most complete and connected platform for customer service and support. It offers web to case functionality that provides help and support to the customers. It derives agent productivity and increase customer satisfaction by connecting support tools into one easy to use platform. It is integrated into the Salesforce platform, which results in a unified and effective customer experience. It is a unified platform for managing all cases assigned to an agent so that it can help in prioritizing the task at hand. What is Marketing Cloud? It is a platform for marketers that allows them to create and manage marketing relationships and campaigns with customers. It is a platform with multiple possibilities and with the foundational objective of placing the customer in the center of every experience. Salesforce Marketing Cloud SFMC is Salesforce platform for digital marketing, marketing automation and customer engagement. It is a software as a service platform made up of three editions: professional, corporate and enterprise, each with different levels of functionality and additional add-on features for users to further increase their capabilities. What is Commerce Cloud? Salesforce Commerce Cloud is the world's leading business to customer and business to business commerce solution. It is a multi tenant cloud based commerce platform that empowers brands to create intelligent unified buying experiences across all channels like mobile, social, web, and store. It supports online retailers in marketing, merchandising, shopping experience, fulfillment, customer service, and more. What is Analytic Cloud? Salesforce Web Analytics, also called Analytics Cloud. It is a business intelligence BI platform from salesforce.com. It is optimized for mobile access and data visualization. The web mobile app allows us to work with large data files and create graphs, charts, and other pictorial representation of data from them. What is Experience Cloud? Salesforce Experience Cloud is an online social platform that enables companies to connect customers, partners, and employees with each other, data and record they need to get work done. It creates branded digital experiences to share information and collaborate with people. Using Experience Cloud, we could build communities to gain deeper relationships with customers or provide better service by enabling customers to find information and asset each other online. Thank you, and if you guys found this video helpful, please do like, subscribe and also leave a comment down below.